Good morning. It's a Sunday morning, which is clearly a very good day for a morning walk because it's less crowded. Also, this part of town has been closed off for sports, as you can see. I don't know if it is something that they do every Sunday, but people are jogging, they are doing bikes, and I guess even me, by doing this walk, I'm working out. So from my last video, I don't know if you guys remember this, in our last Kigali video, we visited this place, the car-free zone. So I decided, let me walk through it again. So this side too, I can see people doing sports. They're doing bike racing. Like I said, I don't know if this is something that is done every Sunday, or randomly. Now everyone who has come to Kigali knows this place, right? We are still in the cafe zone. So there are a few cafes along the route. If you remember from my last video, I think I had a meal. I think it was under this one, Fratelli's Groceries or something. Yeah, where it rained and I almost got stuck in Kigali. As you guys know, okay, for some of you guys that don't know, this was like the first country that I visited, so it will always have that soft spot in my heart. So let's keep walking until I get to a part where I can get a bike back to town. This route is long, but I didn't want to vlog the entire walk. I mean, it was gonna get boring at a certain point.